Hey guys, welcome to the next tutorial of Service Seller app. So in this video lecture, we are going to create a side navigation rod. You can also say a custom navigation rod of a seller site. So without wasting time, let's get started. So in the lib, I'm going to create a new directory called widgets. Here's the directory and name it as a widgets because we are going to create a custom widgets, all the custom widgets in this directory. And also I am going to create another directory which is named as uh, seller side. Okay, which is named as seller side. And okay, fine. So in the widgets, so I'm going to create a new dot file name as a navigation side, no side dot. And here I'm going to create a navigation dot of a seller side. Import material dot and a stateful widget and name it as a navigation seller. Okay, you can name as it on your choice. So return container, and in the child of I'm going to give a height of the container. First let me declare a media query variable size is equal to media query, sorry, not like this, media query dot of dot size. Okay, so now I'm going to give it a height size dot height multiply by 0.8. Okay, and width will be a size dot all the screen width size dot width multiply by 0.9. Okay, fine. So in the child I'm going to give it a column widget, so column children. And here, so first element of a navigation rod will be the container showing the header container. And in containers child I will give it a text and welcome. I will place here a welcome and just give it a style, text style, and font size will be a 24.0 and color will be a colors dot white. And let me minimize it. Okay, and make it a border as well. Font weight dot bold. And let me also give it a letter spacing here, not there, here, letter spacing 2.0. And also give me the height width of this container as well, size dot height multiply by 0.15 will be enough, and width will be a size dot, okay, leave the width, it takes the according to the parent widget. Okay, so now put the column here, and this one also remove the comma. So first I'm going to pass it in a navigation dot. So go to admin dashboard, and here the property of, as we know that the dot property is provided by scaffold, so I'm going to use it dot and navigation. Let me go and copy the name of the side dot, which is a navigation seller, and pass it here and import it only. So now just hot reload the app and see whether the drawer is enabled or not. See, when I click on the drawer, it shows me a welcome, but not like that. We want also color. I am going to give it a container a color, side drawer colors dot white, and width will be a 0.6. and now hot reload it and see, this will be like this, but we also want to give it a height like a 0.9 and width will be a 7.5, and that the height of this container will be a colors dot green. Okay, now auto loaded. So this will be a here, but we want to give it a width will be a little bit higher, so I'm going to take this width and paste it here, and now auto load it. So now it will be a good, just make the container as made the text in the center widget, and to make the text will be in the center. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. That's it. Now it will look good. So just increase the little bit width also, 7.77. Now it's good. That's fine. Now I'm going to take another widget in a column, which is a list style, and here I'm going to use the icon. So list style, leading, title, subtitle. So first of all, I'm going to use a title, and in title I'm going to use a text widget and pass here my services, and leading I'm going to pass an icons dot, let me choose a perfect icon for it. So my services will be, this one will be good. You can choose of your own wish. And now I'm just going to hot reload it. So it will be a here. Just increase the font size, style, text style, font size 20.0, and now hot reload it. So it's a little bit higher, and now it will be a fine. And now I'm just going to copy and paste this line as well, and my services, and in the instead of my, I'm going to add the add services, and going to change the icon as well and put the add icon here. If you have your own custom icon, you can place it here. And also, and here I'm going to orders. Okay, now here I'm going to go on order. So this will be a here. Now here I'm going to pass, just give it a little bit height to it, so make it a 2, so it will look good. And now it's look good. And instead of this text, I'm going to pass no, okay, fine. When we going to use a get fetch data from the Firebase, then we pass the username or email here. So till then, welcome will be fine, and if you have a logo, you can also put it here. So I'm going to pass a divider here now, divider, and just reload the app. It's a, make it a little bit more thick, 2.0. So now it's visible. Now I'm going to take another list style, just copy and paste it, and paste it here, and put it a comma, and instead of my orders, I'm going to make a settings, and I'm going to add a setting icon as well here, settings. Yes, this one. So now just auto load it. So setting icon appear here, or also I am going to add another as well. I'm going to just copy and paste it and log out. Okay, and instead of setting icon, I'm going to add a logout icon, which I think so will appear here. So just wait for, yes, this one, logout, and again hot reload it. So this one, and okay. Or one more thing, we forget one more thing. I'm going to add another divider, and in the mid of this divider, I'm just going to copy and paste this to make a switch to buyer, as we discussed, because this has ports like a Fiverr, like you can make a switch to a buyer account and switch to a seller's account with a single account. So this will be also a compulsory thing to put it here. And I now I'm going to find a very suitable icon for it to switch the accounts. So I think so this will be a good icon, will be a good. Okay, if you find a most useful icon other than this, then you can put it here. So this is a custom navigation drawer of a seller site. Now you can minimize it also, and you can, when you click on the navigation drawer, it will appear here. That's it for this video. If you have any query, you can ask in a comment section below. So if you like the video, hit like the button and subscribe my channel as well. So let's meet in another video. Till then, goodbye.